All right, so Soundcore is back yet again, only this time with a dual product launch. So we have the brand new Space series, which includes the Space A40 earbuds, as well as the Space Q45 active noise canceling headphones. So the huge focus with both of these products is going to be their industry leading active noise canceling performance. But they have a bunch of other great specs as well, including high resolution audio, multi-point connection, insane battery life, and of course you still have the Soundcore app, which is one of my personal favorite companion apps out there. So that definitely is going to add to the experience as well. So I will have the purchase links for both of these products down in the description, as well as a limited time 20% off coupon code that you can use to save yourself a little bit of money. So for starters, let's take a look at this gift box that they sent over. Definitely some really nice presentation. So I always like to make note of those types of things. So the unboxing experience was definitely top notch. And let's start off with the Space Q45 headphones, because out of the two, I've definitely been using these the most. So the price on these is 150 bucks. They come in 3 different colors, black, white, as well as navy. Obviously we have the black option, and you're getting a really premium experience top to bottom. It does come with a nice case that you can use for traveling purposes, so you can keep track of your accessories as well as just protect the headphones themselves. So the ear cups do swivel as well as collapse. So those of you that were salty because the 1000 XM5s from Sony no longer collapse, these have you covered. Now, one thing that stood out to me the most are the ultra soft plushy ear cushions. So these also have you covered in terms of comfort. You have the buttons on each ear cup for all of your controls, along with a Type-C charging port and an audio jack. So these are running Bluetooth 5.3, and they're coming with a whopping 50 hours of battery life, and that's with active noise cancellation turned on. With active noise cancellation turned off, you're going to get around 65 hours of use. So needless to say, these are giving you some top level battery. So they also feature fast charging. So just 5 minutes will give you around 4 hours of use, which is definitely going to be helpful if you're in a pinch. We also have multi-point connection, so you can connect 2 devices at one time. Perfect for you if you're the multitasking type. In terms of codecs, these support SBC, AAC, as well as LDAC. So with Android devices, you do have the option for that higher resolution audio. These have adaptive active noise cancellation, which is going to adjust the ANC based on the level of noise taking place around you, or you can manually select between 5 different levels. You also have custom transparency mode, so you can choose between 5 different levels with that as well. So you do have some good flexibility as far as controlling your ambient sound. So I've been comparing these to my Sony 1000 XM5s, and as far as the active noise cancellation goes, the difference between the two is pretty negligible. I mean, honestly, there's not much of a difference. So that's definitely saying something, considering that the Q45 are coming in at less than half the price of the XM5s. Now, on the other hand, when it comes to sound quality, I would actually give the advantage to the Q45. There seems to be a little bit more separation between the higher frequencies and the lower frequencies, which gives you a more dynamic sound. And when you pair that up with the Soundcore app, you can really dial these in quite nicely. So as far as microphone quality, what you're listening to right now is a microphone test being recorded with the Space Q45 with some crowd noise being played in the background. So this should give you a pretty good idea as to how you would sound if you decide to take a phone call. Now, I don't want to make this video too long, so really quick, let's go ahead and touch on these Space A40 earbuds. So these are coming in at 100 bucks, and these are Soundcore's smallest ANC earbuds to date. They're extremely lightweight, and just like the Space Q45, they have some very impressive specs as well. They're running Bluetooth 5.2. They also offer the LDAC codec. They have multi-point connection, so you can connect to 2 devices at one time. And then as far as battery life, you're looking at around 10 hours on a single charge, with a total of 50 hours including the case. And speaking of the case, It also supports wireless charging. These have fast charging as well, so just 10 minutes will give you around 4 hours of listening time. And then you also have an IPX4 water resistant rating. Now for the gamers out there, if you go into the app and dive into the settings, you'll also notice that there is a gaming mode, which is going to help reduce any sort of audio lag or delay. So as far as the active noise cancellation, it is adjustable within the Soundcore app. And I would say that the ANC performance is pretty close to that of the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro, which for these to be as small and compact as they are, is definitely very impressive. And of course, we do have the transparency mode as well, which is also very solid. Now, it is important to note that these are not set to replace the Liberty 3 Pro by any means. So when it comes to overall sound quality, the Liberty 3 Pro are still going to be the king as far as Soundcore earbuds go. But the Space A40 are still giving you that very dynamic Soundcore experience. So you're getting really solid bass and some very clean and detailed treble. And of course, you can't forget about the Soundcore app, which provides you with a number of different EQ options. So for me, the main attraction with these is going to be their ultra compact size, their battery life, and their ANC performance. So really quick, let's go ahead and do a microphone test with some crowd noise being played on a speaker. So this should give you a pretty good idea as to how you would sound if you choose to take a phone call. So that's going to cover it for today's video. Like I said, if you're interested, make sure you check out the links down in the description, as well as those 20% off coupon codes, which will save you some money. So I appreciate you guys watching this video as well as all the others. And as usual, I'll see you guys in the next one.